So in order to take the interim assessments, there's a couple steps. So you can really fully understand the student experience. We know taking full-length assessments on Elluminate is still somewhat foreign to both us and our KIPsters. So we want to make sure that all of us take the time to review this carefully so that our KIPsters can do the same. So our KIPsters can experience success. So the first thing you're going to do is click on this bottom tab where it says IA details and links. You can certainly look at the link in the curriculum drive. However, I would recommend taking the link in Elluminate. So all third grade teachers should do the following. You're going to click this link into Elluminate, which will open up a tab. If you're not signed in, it'll have you sign in first. The next thing I'm going to do is click View Preview. And then I'm not going to worry about time duration because most of our KIPsters would qualify for extra time. Then I'm going to click on Show Settings, and I'm going to enable some of these pieces. So for example, all of our KIPsters would qualify for, this is text to speech. So text to speech for the question, I'm going to click Enable. I'm not going to enable text to speech for the passage because that's not an allowable accommodation. But certainly KIPsters can use highlighting, and then of course they always have access to a dictionary. So I'm going to make sure that I'm familiar with those tools and how to use them. And then I'm going to click Preview here. Once I click Preview, the actual assessment will open, and then I'm going to go through this as if I were a KIPster. So the first thing, obviously, I would do is read the passage. This is a star release passage because our interims are star released. But you can also see here, if I click on the play button, great, so you get the point. That's how I can do that. I can also, illuminate answer choices if I know question A or answer choice A is wrong. I can use my highlighter to highlight specifics in the text highlighted, and then I can certainly add annotations over here as well. So again, critical that all of us kind of mess around with this. If you do this as a preview, your score is not counted. And then I have the option to finish this. I also can use either the drop down to go through all of the questions or can scroll through the questions this way. But one more time to ask is that you as a teacher who will be administering any of these assessments, take all of those assessments so that KIPsters are, so we know what the KIPster experience is, so we can plan really strategically for the week we come back from break to set them up for the most success possible.